Good evening everyone. As you know that I am shooting this video after a long time. So today we'll discuss about liver, and you know that the liver is the largest internal organ of the body and it does the more than 500 vital functions. So let's decode the anatomy of the liver and try to understand the different lobes and the different ligaments and what is the gallbladder, common bile duct, cystic duct. So let's decode. तो आप सभी को पता है कि लीवर बॉडी का लार्जेस्ट इंटरनल ऑर्गन है और ये राइट अपर क्वाड्रेंट में प्रेजेंट होता है और ये जस्ट डायफ्राम के नीचे प्रेजेंट है एंड इट परफॉर्म्स मोर देन 500 वाइटल फंक्शंस. सो लेट्स डिकोड द एनाटॉमी ऑफ लीवर. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इसके लोब्स के बारे में. सो इट हैज़ द राइट लोब एंड द लेफ्ट लोब and it is divided by the falciparum ligament. In between them there is a falciparum ligament is present. Besides the right lobe and the left lobe, it also has the quadrate lobe. This is the quadrate lobe and the caudate lobe. So this one is the caudate lobe, right? So this portion is the caudate lobe, and on the inferior side we have the quadrate lobe, right? So there are four. There is right lobe, left lobe, and the caudate lobe and the quadrate lobe, right? So now coming to the different peritoneal folds of the liver, means the different ligaments of the liver. So first one is this is the falciparum ligament. So this is the falciparum ligament, and in this we have the ligamentum teres, that is the round ligament is present in this. So that is the remnant होता है, ये left जो umbilical vein थी उसका एक remnant है, ठीक है. So this is the falciparum ligament and it has the ligamentum teres, that is the round ligament present in the liver. Now we have the coronary ligament, the ligament that is stretches between the right lobe of the liver and the diaphragm. जो हमारा right lobe of the liver है और जो diaphragm है उसके पास stretch होता है, that is the coronary ligament. एक होता है left triangular ligament. जो हमारा triangular ligament है वो it is between the left lobe of the liver and the diaphragm, ठीक है. So ये यहाँ पे हमारा left triangular ligament है and here it is the coronary ligament. Now there is the lesser omentum. Lesser omentum is present. It is the double fold of peritoneum connects the lesser curvature of the stomach to the liver. तो ये stomach का जो lesser curvature है उसको, जो हमारे stomach है उसका जो lesser curvature है उसको उसके साथ connect करता है, ठीक है. So हमारे कितने ligament हो गए? We have the four ligaments, that is the falciparum ligament, then we have the coronary ligament, then we have the left triangular ligament, and we have the lesser omentum that is connected with the stomach, ठीक है. एक ऐसा ligament जो stomach के lesser curvature के साथ attached है. So we have the four peritoneal folds of the liver. So now coming to the gallbladder. So in the gallbladder we have the cystic duct that is coming from the gallbladder. So this is the cystic duct. Now we have the right hepatic artery. This one is the right hepatic artery and this one is the left hepatic artery, right? So when they join they form the common hepatic artery and this is the cystic. So common bile duct, this one is the common bile duct. This is formed by the joining of cystic duct and the common hepatic duct, right? So that is called the common bile duct. So this is the common bile duct, right? So this is about the gallbladder. So one of the most important thing to notice that there is a manure called Prinzl's manure. जब भी cholecystectomy होता है, there is the resection of the gallbladder, उस टाइम पे क्या होता है, there are chances of bleeding from the cystic artery. तो क्या करते हैं, cystic जो artery है उसमें से bleeding ना हो, इसके लिए there is the hepatic artery is compressed so that there is no bleeding, there is the control of bleeding from the cystic artery. तो इसलिए this manure को कहते हैं Prinzl's manure, where we compress the hepatic artery to control the bleeding from the cystic artery, ठीक है. So that is the Prinzl's manure that is performed during cholecystectomy.